Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the CapCut mobile application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in or sign up for an online account on CapCut. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CapCut application on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. Now from this page, you will see the tap to sign in option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you have various different options, such as logging in with TikTok, your Google account, or your email address as well as Facebook. Now, if you have a previous account, then you can proceed with the appropriate sign-in method. But if you wish to create a new one, you may proceed with whichever method you prefer. Just provide your email address and enter your preferred password if you wish to do so, or you can directly use your Google account as well. Now, within the sign-in page, you will see the sign up button at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it, and then enter your preferred email address. Now tap on continue, and then enter the code that has been sent to your email. Once you enter the 6-digit code, tap on the continue button, and now you will be allowed to enter your desired password. Just type in your desired password within the given box, and then tap on continue. Now just enter your date of birth, and choose a nickname if you wish. You can also skip these by tapping on the skip button. And now you have successfully signed up to your new account on the CapCut mobile application. Now all of the edits that you make will be synced to your online account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on CapCut Mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.